Okay, our next question is what is the cost difference between laser gum treatment and traditional treatment? Are there any ongoing promotions?
So what is the difference between the regular gum treatment and the laser gum treatment is the question from this follower. Absolutely, there is a different. There is a treatment difference as well as a cost difference because we are going to use this laser. And as I said earlier in the previous question, so when we do the deep gum therapy, we do the laser just as an adjunct. So there is a very small cost to that. Whereas we are going to have a complete full mouth. We call it as a 4-quadrant, right? 4-quadrant laser gum surgery, which usually takes like about 3 to 4 hours or maybe even a little bit longer. So that requires like a lot of precise work, and there is a lot of work that is involved. So that may end up costing a little bit more. So second part of your question is whether do we have any promotion? Absolutely. We are all about helping our patients here, so we do have promotion that we run. We run on a very regular basis. So check our website or check our. A lot of you guys are following us on Facebook or other social media like Instagram and TikTok and all of that. So and YouTube. So check our social media channels for the promotions we run, and we are happy to help you anytime.
Yes, we are.